Hi, welcome to Life in 360. This video is an after usage review video. The product is Samsung refrigerator, and in this video we have a lot of contents from shopping, installation and review. So after deciding to buy a new fridge for our kitchen, we decided to go to our nearby showroom where we can see a lot of brands and we want a perfect fit for our kitchen. Shopping with our kids will be an ultimate fun because she chose a perfect size refrigerator for her. My kid loves to learn brand names, hence I decided to show her many brands as much as possible, from air conditioner to television. After making a decision to buy a new fridge, my option is a French door one. But the important thing is it should fulfill my checklist. First thing is it should fit in my kitchen space, as my kitchen space is small and it should not exceed 79 centimeter. Secondly, I don't need more freezer space, but I need more storage space for veggies. And the third most important thing is I need a stable one with long-term usage. When I was in the showroom, I was attracted to all the French door refrigerators until I find the perfect one. It is Samsung 415 liter fridge, which is a convertible one with freezer capacity of 89 liter. So switching to my home, this one is my oldest Whirlpool double door refrigerator. Actually, I needed the new one to be fitted in this space. Since my old Whirlpool fridge stopped working, I was in an emergency to buy a new one. Hence, I didn't pay attention to the star rating. All I got 2-star rating one, but it is fine for me. All I got is 2-star, but the same model is available in 3-star in online. Hence, I don't know what is the difference between the showroom piece and the online one, and the same model having two different ratings. And if you know any details about this one, please share your comment in the comment section. The only thing I wanted, but it is not provided in this product, is child lock. But the satisfaction is the door is tight and hard to open, and the kids can't do that, need an extra force. So it has a movable ice tray. We have more freezer space. The fridge unit is quite larger and bigger than my older one because it can store a lot of products. So for this I can give 5 star for my expectation levels. More than 3 months I'm using it. It works fine, and I bought some added accessories like magnet and notepad. Check for the product details in the description. So this Samsung fridge is a wonderful choice for the ones who want a large storage unit in a small space. Hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe Life in 360 for more review videos. Thank you.